Krishna relates with every jiva, with every living entity, every living being. He has a very specific relationship with each individual jiva. I should be interested in what is my specific relationship with Krishna. And I should also be aware that Krishna is unlimited. If he relates with me, it's not that he is absent in some other relationship. That's the case in the material world. Like Krishna, he had 16,108 queens in Dwaraka when he incarnated here. So he was expanding into 16,108 forms. And nobody is deprived of his association. We have no experience of some person being unlimited in this material world. Or even for a matter in the spiritual world, no jiva is unlimited. Everyone is limited. Krishna is the only unlimited person. And as an unlimited person, he has unlimited number of forms. And he expands in those forms and relates with devotees for the sake of receiving their service.